Hello and welcome. I hope the new setup isn't bothering you too much. Today is going to be a completely different experience. New things in today. Lather master bowl. Look like this inside. Beautiful, beautiful bowl, I must say so. As far as I know, no one has done a video review of this, and I hope to be the first one. If I'm wrong, correct me please. Beautiful bowl, ceramic. Also comes with a matching brush. Ceramic as well, actually. With the matching logo at the bottom here. It's an R. This is also an R. It's a rune, actually. It it comes from the Viking rune Lather, which basically means to travel, and it can mean to travel physically from one location to another. It could also be a spiritual travel, and the R, as we know it, when it's like this, is positive, good, but if it is reversed, it is bad. So we'll keep it on this side, right? This is from Rune Yarns, great ball and brush handle maker. You can choose your own knot to put in. I've chosen a synthetic because I'm allergic to a lot of things, and I hope to do this justice. I hope you can. I'll try to make it visible what's going on. We're going to use Paraso, as many others hopefully have in their tin. I've got water here. Put this in. Scoop out this amount. Just filling it in the bottom here. Nice runes and which is protruding on the inside. And I'm gonna leave the a link to Rune's Facebook page, so you can contact him if you're interested. Please tell him I send you. And by the way, Rune has not asked me to do this at all. I just spilled some water. A couple of flicks. Nice backbone on this brush. So we're trying to hold it like this, so as you can see. We'll try to make it as visible as before. So we'll go ahead. Yeah, as I said, Rune did not ask me to do this, so I'm doing this on my own sort of free will. And straight away, it's working great. Okay, I can put it down so that I can see better for myself what's going on here. Whipping up very easily, and quite a lot actually as well. Now let's work this a bit. The handle being ceramic, I was very worried that I might damage it, that it would be banging on the sides, but there's nice room in this shaving bowl. And the runes protruding, or well, it's carved into the lamp bowl. You could see yourself. This does not lie. I am telling you, this is top quality stuff. And it whipped up in a matter of seconds. Look at the peaks. There's still a few bubbles left, but if I keep, working, I'll get them out. So, there's that. give them a shout out. Great quality. This look, a lot of them brush, and I could keep on working it and going. I'm also going to post. Follow with this came a few packages of blades Rune was kind enough to send me. So thank you, Rune. I'm also going to do a Danish version of this because, well, it's local. Rune is located here in Denmark as well, and I think I'll do it justice by leaving also a Danish video. So there's going to be 3 videos uploaded today, actually. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you'll get your hands on one of these sometimes because it's simply great. See you later.